Okay, so is it recording? Let me see. Yeah, it is. Hold on. Come on, I don't like that. Gotta fix this a little bit. Give me a second. Okay, it's recording. Here we go. Okay, copy this problem down. Those of you listening on the video. Okay, so here it is. X squared over 9. We're continuing the notes on hyperbolas. We started yesterday. Look at the video from yesterday. This is number 3, right? Because we did 2 of them yesterday. This is number 3. Okay, so this is going to be like an ellipse, but remember, how do you know when it's a hyperbola? It has a minus sign. It's a minus. So it's going to almost start and kind of work the same as ellipses, right? We look up here for the center. There's no number. Center is 0, 0. Okay, that's a good thing about today. They're going to be centered at 0, 0, so they should be easy. Centered at 0, 0. Boom, right there. Put a center point right there. And then these are going to help us get those dots, those vertices. Okay, so x, under the x is 9, but we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So we're going to go 3 this way, and then we're going to go 3 this way. Oh, yeah, you know what? Let's write the steps. What's the first thing we do? The center. What's the second thing we do? These vertices, which is what we're doing now. The vertices, okay? So 3 this way, 3 this way. And on the y, well, there's a 25 there, but we all know the square root of 25 is 5. So on the y, we're going to go up 5, down 5. Okay, that's the second thing you do. Now, what's the third thing? You do that rectangle. Remember that? Remember yesterday I said make a rectangle out of that, and you guys were doing some crazy stuff? Okay, so, oops. How do we create a rectangle with those four vertices? Well, like this, right? Now you could do it with a pencil or lightly or something. Okay, then what? Then, number 4. Then the next thing after the rectangle, number 4, is these asymptotes, right? These two diagonal lines that go like this, one like this, and one like this. So those are called the asymptotes. A-S-Y-M-P-T-O-T-E-S. Okay, asymptotes. That's the 4th thing. And, I mean, if you're okay, you can sketch a freehand. But if you have a ruler or something, that'll be good. Because this is the guide. This is what's going to guide you to see and to determine if how narrow or how wide the graph of the hyperbola is, right? These 2 branches, right? We call them branches. Okay, well, we're pretty much done, right? We got everything. You're either going to graph 2, the 2 of them that are opening left, right, or you're going to graph the 2 going up, down. How do you know? How do you know? You look over here. Does it have to do with these numbers? No. It has to do with whichever letter is right here in front and is what? Positive. See, this one's positive, x squared. This one's negative. Since the x variable is positive, then what? Well, the x is left and right, right? X is left and right, so that's how you know that it's like this. Okay, are we good? All right. Let me move on to something. You don't have this paper, but you're just going to have to look here and just look at the examples. Now we're going to go backwards. Now I'm going to give you the graph. See, now I'm going to give you the graph. You're going to have this on your assignment. You're going to have a graph. Luckily, you can kind of see the rectangle there. I don't know, can you guys kind of see it? You can kind of see the rectangle, and you can definitely see the asymptotes, right? I can definitely see the asymptotes. That's good. I can see those. Okay, I can see those asymptotes. And can you guys see where that rectangle is?
Yeah.
Where is it? Right here, huh? You guys see it right there? But you know what's the best part about these problems where you have to come up with the equation? Anybody know what the best part of it is? Well, here it is. Ready? Look at this. It's going to be multiple choice. You tell me which one it is. Well, how about we do process of elimination? There's 4 choices. What do I mean by process of elimination? Let's eliminate the ones we know are definitely not going to be it. Which one do we know are definitely not going to be the equations? Yeah, see, since I know that this hyperbola is opening up and down, then what? Then which one should be over here in the front and positive? The y. See, C and D have the y positive, where over here the y is back here and it's negative and the x is in front. So I already know by process of elimination, A and B cannot be correct. So now, how do you know if it's C or D? Anybody can? The vertices? What do you mean by the vertices? Oh, shoot. Wait, hold on. Well, let's see. From this center, remember how much did you go left? How much is this left? 4. I need to see that number. I need to know that number. Right, you went 4 this way and I went 4 this way. Okay. And then up, how much did it go from the center to that? 2. Why do I need to see that number or those 2 numbers? Why is seeing that now going to make it easy for us to figure out which one it is? Which one is it, C or D? Huh? D? Why? On the y, you went 2 up and 2 down, but remember you have to square it. See, the y is over here. You've got to square it. Correct. And on the x, you went 4. And when you square 4, under the x should be what? 16. That's correct. You see how to read the information here? All right, let's see this other one. How about this? What do we know is true about this one? Well, the branches are now here. Yeah. Can you guys see where the rectangle is? Yeah? Well, you have good eyes then. Yeah, it's right here, huh? Okay, so let me just count right here. How much is this? 3? No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's 4 this way. And it's 5? Yeah, 5 this way. All right, process of elimination. Which of these 4 is not going to be? Oh, gosh. Which 2 are not right? Huh? The bottom 2. Why this one? Why is this one not right? Yeah, this one should be. Yeah, this one the y is first, so that should have been the y up and down. No. Okay, that's why that one's not right. Why is this one not it? Because the center is 0, 0 here. We haven't looked at the ones that have the center somewhere else, but. Yeah, this one's not it. Okay, so looking right here, boom. Which one is it between A and B? A? Are you guys convinced? You guys see why? Under the x, how much did I go on the x? 4. So it should be 4 squared 16. Yep, that's it. And the y is 25. You see where they try to mess you up here? They put the 25 over here. If you're not paying attention, you're like, oh. This one. They both have a 25 and a 16, right? We're good? Easy, huh? Easy. Okay, then there you go. All right.